Hello class. First, what we're going to do here is have a brief tutorial on how to buy and sell contracts in our class futures market. First, know that to get to the futures market, you have to start at the class web page. Go to futures market and log in, and you're going to need your class password. And remember, if you don't know it, you can just click this link and choose your name, and it will email your password to you. So I'm going to log in. And remember, if you want to practice using some fake accounts, you can use these accounts down here. And this is going to log us into the website. You usually don't have this problem, but if you do, just log in again. And that brings us here. And first, do know that there is an online guide here that's going to say some of what I'm saying here, but it gives more details about how to calculate profits and what kind of strategy to use. And the tab trade is where you go in and actually do your trade. Now, to demonstrate something, I'm going to assume that we are trading the Texas Tech 121 contract. So this is a contract that's going to equal $10 if the OSU men's basketball team defeats Texas Tech on January 21st, and then it's worth $0 if OSU loses. Now, before we get into the stuff here, let me talk briefly about strategy. And the key to understanding the strategy of this prediction market is to keep it simple. Don't think too much. It's really as simple. For instance, suppose there are $4 bills, four $1 bills, and ask you, how much are those dollar bills worth? How much are those four $1 bills worth? Well, you're going to say $4, of course, by definition. So then my next question is, how much would you sell those $4 for? Would you sell these four $1 bills for more than $4? Would you sell it for $5, $6? Of course you would. You would sell it for a price more than its value. Would you be willing to buy four $1 bills for less than $4? Well, of course you would, because you want to buy something less than its value. Well, what you do with these futures contracts or prediction contracts, remember, futures and prediction contracts are the same things here. If you perceive a contract to be worth $4, you want to sell it for more than $4 and or buy it for less than $4. It's that simple. So let's consider this Texas Tech Jan 21st contract. And remember, this is a contract that it's worth $10 if OSU wins, and it'll be worth $0 if OSU loses. Now, to do a strategy, you've got to come up with some prediction of OSU's chances of beating Texas Tech. And you don't have to know a lot about basketball to do this. You can just look at the past performance of OSU. And let's suppose you decide that OSU has a 40% chance of beating Texas Tech on Jan 21st. That means you value the contract at 40% times $10, $4. This is because there's a 40% chance that that contract will be worth $10. So you perceive that contract to be worth $4. You set that number, then that's what you use as your trading strategy. And if you perceive its value to be $4, you want to sell at prices greater than its value of $4. So you might want to put in sell offers that are greater than $4. And you'll also, so you want to make sell offers greater than $4, or sell to others if their buy offer is greater than $4. So let's start here and let's see if we can sell at a price greater than $4. So I'm going back to our futures market and making sure I'm on the right market, Texas Tech 121. Okay, and then I want to see if I can sell for more than $4. Here's a place where I can sell contracts to other people. So this says choose to sell a contract at one of the offered buying prices below. So this is a case where someone offered to buy the contract at $4.80. Well, that's what I want to do. I want to sell to others if the buy offer is greater than $4. So I'm going to choose that other person's buy offer $4.80, and I'm going to sell at that price. Now someone else said that they would buy at $3.20, but I don't want to sell to them at $3.20 if I believe the contract is valued $4. Also, we might want to make sell offers to other for more than $4. So over here, I can enter a new selling price offer below. And maybe, so I know I want to sell for more than $4. Maybe I can find someone who will buy it for $4.60. So I'm going to choose 4.6, hit submit sell offer, and then it's listed in that below. And so if someone else logs in a different account, that $4.60 will show up here for other people to buy at. Now you don't have to keep that price. Suppose I say, okay, $4.60. I want to actually see if I get a little better price. I can add another sell price of 5.2. So I've got two selling offers down here. And suppose I want to get rid of that 4.6. I could just hit delete selected bid. Now maybe someone will buy it from me for $5.20, maybe not. I can change my selling offers based on what happens throughout the game. So that covers some of the selling things we can do. Now, if we value the contract at $4, we want to buy at prices less than the value of 4 offers. So I want to make buy offers to other people for less than $4, or buy from other people if their sell offer is less than $4. So let's see if we can make that happen. So remember, I want to buy at a price less than 4 because I think the contract is worth 4. I look over here, choose to purchase a contract at one of the offered selling prices below. So one person is offering to sell it to me for $7. That's way too high. I want to buy it for less than 4. But there is someone who's willing to sell it to me for $2.80. Yes, I do want to buy it for $2.80 because I think it's worth 4. So I'm going to buy it at that price. I'm not going to buy at this price because that's more than its value. And then I can also go over here. Remember, I want to make buy offers less than $4. So I can enter a new buying price down here. And maybe I'll say I'm willing to buy contracts from other people for $3.20. And see now, if someone else logs in, they'll see that they can sell it to me for $3.20 if they want. And maybe I'll decide later I want to change that bid. So I can delete it. And maybe I want to offer a little higher price. So let's say maybe I will buy it for $3.80. And let's suppose I'm willing to buy more than one contract at $3.80. You could do that. And so that's 2 of them down there. That's all you have to do with trading. Now, this thing will keep track of what transactions you made. You can come over here to records and notice this shows that I have sold one contract at $4.80 and I have bought one contract for $2.80. That's how you trade. It's going to take some thinking on your part. It's going to take some experimentation. Sometimes you'll be right, sometimes you'll be wrong. Just do your best and let us know if you have any questions.